All right, hello. It's another handful of goodies from the big box of ephemera that I'm sorting through. So let's see what we've got today. Some more of these cards. Steeplechase, politician, yacht, soldier, and motorcycle. I think I've seen most of those ones already. Wonder how many of those cards are in this box. We have a neat old Christmas card. Sweet little supermarket receipt. So cute. E.W. James and Son Supermarket, S. Fulton, Tennessee. Love that. I can just picture the old cash register it came out of. This is a postcard that is a time saver card. Time is money. Check items desired. Dear friend, mama, hubby, papa, palsy, walsy, or wifey, do you feel okay? I am blue, lucky, unhappy, sad, lonely, sunk, in love, or starving. Anyway, that's interesting. Never seen that before. Old letters, 1930s, old letters, old memories, etc. from Jim while in CCC camp. Marie's autograph books. So this is like a little inventory slip. And a little handwritten note. Do you care at all for me? My heart beats for you, and my love is soft as a squash. I am for you as strong as an onion. You sure are a peach with your reddish hair and turnip nose. You are the apple of my eye. So if we can't elope, then let us be married, for I know we will make a happy pair. Your sweet pea. Oh my gosh, how freaking adorable is that? Cute. Look at that car. This is a postcard from 1960 something. Sunday night. This is where we had dinner. On our way down, everything is pretty here. Wish you could see the flowers. Love, Gladys. Oh, Valentine. Love it. Social Security payments. You or your friends may also be eligible for Social Security. No year on that. Supreme Forest Woodman Circle. 1924. Stamp's been torn off. This is a business reply envelope. And a letter. You're still paying the old rate, so there's a lien charged against your certificate, drawing interest at the rate of 4%. Yada, yada, yada. Basically, you owe us money, I guess. I don't know what the Woodman Circle is. Does anybody else know? Is that still a thing? Was it just a... what was it? I'm so curious. All right, we got some adding machine tape here. Love that for collage. Oh, cute little pattern thing. Cut out from a, I don't know, magazine or something. 15 cents. 65 cents in coin for each pattern. 15 cents for each pattern for first class mailing. So for 80 cents you could have a pattern. Whatever year that was. This is from 1954. A receipt for yellow corn. A few receipts actually. There's 3 of them here. And from Hinkleman Co. Receipts for, I got this, Lumber and Hardware, 1961. We're getting close, we're getting close. for Mommy on Mother's Day. Oh, that's so sweet. It's kind of shiny. I don't know if you can see that, but that's awesome. And 1965. This is a letter, I believe. Well, guess you think we are all dead or we just aren't going to pay the rent, but I'm writing to say that we are fine and hope you are. Lonnie tried to find where you live Saturday, but never found it. We are planning on moving this Saturday, so we only owe you a week and 1 day rent, and the way we figure it, that should be $5. We will be waiting to hear from you to see if that is right. Then we will mail it to you. All right, interesting. And this is from the same person. So they finally got moved. 1965. Fun, fun. All right, we're already at 6 minutes, so I'll pick this up with the next handful. Thanks for tuning in, and I will catch you next time.